Good morning. It is Saturday, March the 2nd, 2019, and I'm going to introduce a study that I'm going to put together here starting out this morning, and we'll see how it turns out at the end. This is what I'm trying to achieve. I'm going to label December as phase 1 of our 2019 bull market. I'm going to label January phase 2, February is phase 3, March is phase 4, and so on. So now we're going to go through all of the coins on Binance and categorize them. Did they make a bottom formation in phase 1, 2, 3, or 4, as far as we can see so far? From there, we're going to find out, I'm anticipating, that all of the stage 1 coins are now making a consolidation pattern that would be considered to be the add-on if this were a trend that was going to be continuing for a while yet. And at the same time, stage 3 coins are just now taking off. So stage 3 coins are the best buys, and stage 1 coins are the best buys as well, because they are add-ons to a proven trade that we already have in our bank. So this is what I want to go through now, is categorize how many coins are phase 1, 2, 3, and which are not yet in a phase that we may say are going to be in phase 4. If we return to our main spreadsheet, I can go to our Binance Watch spreadsheet. This is where all of the main data is put in, and everything is filtered out of this main spreadsheet. So we have our Binance alerts here. Everything that is labeled with the status alert is pulled up into this sheet here. And on this Binance Watch sheet, I'm going to add in some more columns of information that I can filter out later. You can see here, way back over here, where I categorize things as coins that are above the 200 period moving average. Then I went into the alerts page and I created a filter that pulls in everything that is above the 200 period moving average and is also set as an alert. So this filters out some of the coins to maybe focus on things that are more prepared to be taking off because they've already gone above the 200 period moving average in the charts. So it was my first experiment with filtering down to specific set of coins out of the major set. So now what I'm going to do is write in bull market stage. And I'm going to number them and see if I can sort them that way by how many. Yeah, I can do that. So I can say this is stage 1 because it had a bottom formation. ADA had a bottom formation in December. We had the little 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. We caught this as a trade, and we're still holding this in our spreadsheet with our stop loss down below these technical levels, just hanging out. We're in the profits. We're just going to see how correct we are and let it go. So now it's building into a consolidation pattern that should it break higher than this, it would be a very good buy signal. But right now it's faded off a little bit, but it still remains in the bull market stage 1. So now if we go on to ADX and so on, all the way through these coins to say, did it bottom in December? Would I say this is a stage 1 coin? Or would I say that this is a stage 4 coin, that it's finishing its bottom formation and coming out of it now in March? I'm going to err on the side of saying that's a stage 4 coin because it really didn't do much out of December, though it did bottom there. So hopefully you see a bit of my rationale and you understand what I'm doing here. So this is at least a stage 4 coin. So stage 4 is going to scoop in everything that is not in 1, 2, or 3. Everything else has to be in 4 because I don't know if it's in 5 or not. So AGI also would be stage 4. And this will be interesting to see how many are in the stage 1, 2, and 3, and to put these all together. Let's tune in a second and I'll update you. Okay, so I've gone through all of the markets and I marked them on their bull market stage. 1 is December, 4 is March or beyond. And then I've gone over to the this spreadsheet that I have, and I can filter it so that I can see things that are just in March stage 4 or beyond that are also marked as an alert. So this filters it down to things that are at the very bottom, they haven't broken out yet, and they are also marked as an alert. I can also do the filters so that we can see things that were in stage 1 and now are marked as an alert. So Pivx took off in December and pulled back. Stratus also pulled back and took off in December and pulled back. And so we can update this so that we have more information on which ones were in January that took off and are now an alert again. And here we are, things that took off in February that are now an alert. Or they may be ones that actually have turned into a hold, and I haven't updated that part of the spreadsheet yet. So this is a very powerful study, but it is showing right away that anything, the most of the things that we need to be paying attention to are still in stage 4. Those are the ones, the alerts that haven't taken off. And I'll do more reporting on these as time goes along here. I just want to keep this short and do a quick analysis, and then we can talk about it in more detail. Ciao, that's it for now. It is the 2nd of March, 2019.